video I'm going to tell you how to add frames in your photo in the Snapseed application. So first you need to open your Snapseed application, then you have an interface like this, and after that you need to click on tools. Then you have an option of frames. Here you can see at the bottom you have a frame option. You can just click on that. Now you have a various type of frames in this collection, so you can just if you want a simple, very simple frame, you can just select on first, second, third, fourth, these types of frame. You can also increase the length and width of these frames. If I want this type of frame, I can just select this, or I can go to again to this and select any more advanced frame. For like this is more advanced frames, so you can just select these frames and play with them to get your best results by finding these frames.